In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix VLC Media Player randomly play here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for VLC. Once you've typed it, please wait until you would be able to see a best matched here in this window before we proceed. Okay, once it's here, please click on open. And the moment you click on it, you will be able to bring the VLC Media Player. But before that, please click on yes on the user account control to continue. Okay. So here, you need to expand the VLC Media Player. And there at the side, you can see their tools. Please click on this one and proceed to preferences. So the moment you have bring up the preferences, you need to proceed here at the bottom side where you can see their show settings such as simple and all. So please click on and all. And here on this window or in this area, you need to scroll down and locate with playlist. So please click on the playlist. Okay. And here under the playlist, you can see their subdirectory behavior. So click on this down arrow key and choose for expand. The moment you've set it, please click on saved. And once done, close the window and relaunch your VLC again and your problem will be fixed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.